Okay, let's unpack this. We're so used to walls being fixed, right? Sort of immutable boundaries.
Definitely.
Think about, your home, your office, maybe a shop front. The walls are just there, permanent.
Hmm.
But what if that whole concept, that idea of a solid, permanent wall, could be completely reimagined, shattered almost?
Exactly. And that's what we're digging into today. We're looking at horizontal sliding wall systems. HSW is the shorthand you hear a
Yeah,
lot.
HSW, got it.
Yeah, specifically some really interesting innovations from a company called Sunflex. And these really aren't just, fancy doors.
Right.
They're more like a fundamental rethink, a paradigm shift,
Yeah.
really, in how we design spaces and how we use them, what a wall can be.
Okay, so our mission for this deep dive then is to pull out the most, well, surprising bits, the really practical stuff from the materials you shared,
Yeah.
helping you, the listener, understand how these systems give you this incredible flexibility, this design freedom, turning huge openings into like seamless transitions, easily and with real style.
That's the goal.
So let's start with that core promise. Open spaces.
Mm-hmm.
These SUNFLX HSW systems, they let you take massive openings, think building facades, wide shop fronts, and close them off completely.
Right, securely.
But then, and this is the key part, reopen them across their entire area, super conveniently and totally barrier-free.
Yeah, it's not about just putting a door in a wall.
No.
It's about the wall itself basically dissolving when you want it to. You
Right.
get this totally uninterrupted flow between spaces.
So what makes that possible? What's the clever bit in the design?
Well, the really ingenious part, the fundamental principle, is that the individual glass panels, they're not connected to each other.
Ah, okay. Unlike, say, bifolds where they're all hinged together.
Exactly. And because they're independent, it means you can park them away really neatly, saving space,
Right.
but not just stacked up at the ends, You can park them in almost any individual position along the track.
Oh, interesting. So not just bunched at the sides?
Nope. Think about what that means for designers, for architects. What limitations does that kind of freedom just wipe away?
Yeah, I can see that. It allows for spaces that can really change their shape and function on the fly, doesn't it?
Totally dynamic,
Yeah.
adaptable, instant character change.
And something else in the material really jumped out at me. The fact that the system can operate entirely without a bottom track.
Ah, yes. That's a big one.
Explain that. For someone listening, why is having no bottom track such a game changer?
It's huge. I mean, primarily, no bottom track means zero connections needed in the floor area.
Okay.
So you get a completely barrier-free threshold. Imagine walking from inside to your patio or between two rooms. Absolutely nothing under sun. No trip hazard, no channel to collect dirt.
Wow. Smooth.
Completely smooth from an accessibility